How to make money with Dogecoin. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment, like and subscribe. Are you ready to embark on a journey into the world of Dogecoin and discover how to harness its potential for profit? Welcome to Unleashing the Potential, a comprehensive guide to profiting with Dogecoin. If you've ever wondered about the various ways you can make money with this intriguing cryptocurrency, you're in the right place. In this guide, we're not just going to scratch the surface, we'll take you deep into the world of Dogecoin, revealing strategies to maximize your earnings and navigate this digital realm with confidence. Before we dive into the myriad ways you can profit with Dogecoin, it's crucial to grasp the fundamentals. Dogecoin is more than just a meme, it's a decentralized digital currency designed to empower individuals like you. Its foundation lies in blockchain technology, offering secure and transparent transactions that have captivated a global audience. Now, let's go beyond the basics and explore the diverse avenues to make money with Dogecoin, each with its unique allure and potential. One intriguing strategy is mining. By dedicating your computer's processing power to solving intricate mathematical problems, you unlock the door to earning Dogecoins as a rewarding outcome. Though it may necessitate specialized equipment, this method can yield consistent revenue, making it a compelling option. Another exciting avenue is trading. Like any cryptocurrency, the value of Dogecoin experiences fluctuations. By mastering the art of buying low and selling high, you can capitalize on these price movements and secure a handsome profit. However, keep in mind that comprehensive research and a deep understanding of the market are indispensable for successful trading. Furthermore, you can engage in staking. By holding a certain amount of Dogecoin, you actively contribute to the network's security and, in turn, earn rewards. It's a passive income stream that doesn't demand constant monitoring, making it an attractive choice for those seeking stability. But that's not all. Dogecoin opens the door to a world of online businesses and freelancing opportunities. Accepting Dogecoin as payment for your products or services can unlock new markets and potential customers, expanding your financial horizons. Mining Dogecoin. Mining is the process by which new Dogecoins are created and transactions are verified on the Dogecoin network. Miners dedicate their computer's processing power to solve complex mathematical problems, and in return, they are rewarded with newly minted Dogecoins. While it's a fascinating way to earn Dogecoins, it does require specialized equipment and consumes energy. However, for those with the technical know-how and resources, it can be a consistent and rewarding source of income. Trading Dogecoin. Trading Dogecoin on cryptocurrency exchanges is another avenue to explore. The value of Dogecoin, like other cryptocurrencies, is subject to fluctuations in the market. Skilled traders can capitalize on these price movements by buying when the price is low and selling when it's high. Successful trading, however, necessitates a deep understanding of market trends, technical analysis, and risk management. It's a thrilling but volatile path to profit. Staking Dogecoin. Staking is a more passive approach to earning with Dogecoin. By holding a certain amount of Dogecoin in your wallet, you can participate in the network's consensus mechanism and help secure the blockchain. In return, you receive rewards in the form of additional Dogecoins. Staking requires minimal effort and is an attractive option for those looking for a steady income stream without the need for constant attention. Dogecoin-based businesses and freelancing. For entrepreneurs and freelancers, integrating Dogecoin into your business model can open up new opportunities. Accepting Dogecoin as payment for your goods or services not only sets you apart from the competition but also taps into a growing market of crypto enthusiasts looking to spend their coins. It's a chance to expand your customer base and potentially increase your revenue. Staying informed. Finally, staying well informed about the Dogecoin community and its developments is crucial. The cryptocurrency world is ever evolving, and being aware of the latest news, trends, and innovations can help you make informed investment decisions. Engage with the Dogecoin community on social media, participate in forums, and follow credible news sources to stay ahead of the curve. Lastly, staying up to date with the latest news and trends in the Dogecoin community is essential. Monitoring social media platforms, forums, and credible news sources can provide valuable insights and lead to exciting investment opportunities you won't want to miss. In conclusion, Dogecoin offers a wide array of opportunities to profit, from active strategies like mining and trading to more passive methods like staking and incorporating Dogecoin into your business. The key is to choose the path that aligns with your goals, risk tolerance, and expertise. So, as you embark on your Dogecoin journey, ask yourself, which of these strategies resonates with me, and how can I leverage Dogecoin to secure my financial future? Leave a comment below and let us know which way using Dogecoin coin works best for you. Thanks for exploring this comprehensive guide to profiting with Dogecoin. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with more insightful cryptocurrency content. For more information on all things cryptocurrency and Bitcoin, click the link in the description. If you found this comprehensive guide helpful, please give a thumbs up, comment, like and subscribe. Happy investing! Thanks for watching.